We're going to play the technology innovation game, and there are lots of ways to play it, but no matter how you play it, the goal is the same. You're just trying to get an idea of what might be coming down the road in terms of new software, new services, new technology. And the way we're going to play it here is by combining stuff that already exists and see what happens when you merge the two. So if I've got technology A and technology B, the question is what ends up right there? So let's take a couple. Let's take, for example, YouTube and Twitter, and let's put those together. What would you get? Well, you get a kind of video Twitter, wouldn't you? There are so many things that are waiting to be combined. Okay, let's take another one. Let's take another basic one here. Let's combine the Wii with an internet connection, let's say. What's a Wii? Well, it's a remote control device that came with a Nintendo machine, started coming with them a couple of years ago. You basically grab onto this wand and it senses your movement in 3 dimensions so you can do things like bowl. It's really rather remarkable. You can actually stand in front of your television, swing your arm like you're bowling, and it picks up that movement so well and you feel like you're bowling. It's really rather remarkable. Um, okay, so we take the Wii and an internet connection, let's say, and we'll go up like this, like that. What do we get? Well, you could bowl in someone else's living room, and you can use this Wii for so many things. It picks up all sorts of movement. It's same basic technology behind Guitar Hero, so you could play guitar in someone else's living room. You might write a song and email your friend and say, turn on your TV. I'm connecting to your TV and I'm going to play something and you're going to see me do it via this machine, via my Nintendo and my Wii, and so on. No big deal. It seems like we should be able to do that, right? Now let's imagine we added a third thing. You can add 4, 5, or 6, but let's add a third. Let's add maybe an intent or a goal this time. And why don't we add physical therapy? Now let your imagination wander. You have a Wii that can track somebody's movement. Maybe they're in physical therapy. That can be ported over the internet onto your screen easily enough to do. And perhaps what you're doing is you're consulting with somebody on the other end of that connection who, by virtue of those movements, can tell either by an actual mannequin moving on the other end or figures on a screen that can reconstruct it using some kind of 3D modeling, something that lets them know what's happening on your end so that they can actually take a look at it. So now we have the Wii ported over the internet for use in physical therapy.